Because if you fall, it's going to hurt. And you're going to start. She rolled her eyes at me. She rolled her eyes at me.
Are you serious? Okay. You gonna fall, Mama? Tanala, you gonna fall? Friday.
What does that say? I just heard that. What does it say?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to fall.
Yeah.
I'm going to put my arm right here so you don't fall, okay?
You don't get on top of their computer. No, no. I'm finna put you on YouTube. Aww. Hi, Shari. She said she's sorry to something. She's sleepy. This the only time she act like this.
You like that flashlight, huh? Can you say flashlight? Yeah, that's how you turn it off and on.
Girl. Sit down. Cause you just scared the mess out of me. No. Can you sit down? Please.
Can you sit down right here? Yeah. You can stop it too.
It sounded like she said something about something for next week.
Come on, sit right here. Won't you come? Yeah. What, you gonna comb my hair? Here.
To him.
There you go. You hadn't seen anything like my hair before, have you? Okay.
This way. Dang. But girl.
Can you see her?
Mm-hmm. And she is really sitting there acting like she doing her hair.
Okay. What? If you sit down, you're really not going to be able to do my hair.